I'm always saying, yo, look, man, we about to do this chain lubricant. I have tried to do the pigs, pain in the ass. I didn't change my tire, pain in the ass. And I have to still change spark plugs, ignition coils, and filters. And this shit giving me a headache, so I think I understand my pain. Let me lock in and get this shit done. Yes, sir. Get the POV going on. Give me some good chain cleaner. Some Walmart lubricant I seen on Instagram, TikTok. So basically, all you're gonna do is spray and scratch. I think I'm gonna come on this side, cause hope I just flick some cleaner in my eye. All right, now I'm gonna clean this motherfucker off. Clean it down. Now it's time to lubricate this shit. And hopefully my mic don't die again. But if it die, I got the POV, so I'm gonna switch it to that. But you got our little handy dandy little stick here. All right, well. All right, cool. All right. That's about it.